Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. We're going to explore how to use Google Sheets for tracking your monthly budget. As a childcare provider, managing your finances effectively is crucial. Google Sheets is a versatile and free tool that can help you keep track of your income and expenses, ensuring that you're always on top of your budget. By the end of this video, you'll be able to effectively use Google Sheets to plan and track your monthly finances. In this video, we'll be covering setting up Google Sheets, understanding the basic functions, using built-in templates, entering your planned income and expenses, and tracking your actual income and expenses against your budget. Let's start by setting up Google Sheets. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first. It's free and very simple to do. Once you're logged into your account, click on Blank to create a new spreadsheet. This will open a blank spreadsheet that you can use for whatever your budgeting needs are. You are free to create rows and columns, add formulas, tables, and even charts to track your data. Google also offers a range of pre-built tables that you can use and edit to fit whatever your needs are. First, you can enter data into cells by clicking on a cell and typing. You can navigate between cells using the arrow keys on your keyboard. To format cells, you can use the toolbar at the top. You can bold, italicize, strike through, change the color, the fill, the highlight, many of the same options you have on a document. You can also add borders to cells for better organization. For our demonstration today, we're going to be tracking inventory. As you can see, we've added column titles to identify what we're tracking in each column. For our purposes, we're tracking supplies like crayons, construction paper, glue sticks, nap mats, and cleaning supplies. Here we have the quantity on hand, the reorder amount, the reorder date, the cost per unit, and the total cost. Google Sheets allows you to create formulas to perform calculations. For example, you can use the sum function to add up a column of numbers. Let's add up the total cost to see how much we're spending on supplies. Click on a cell, type equals sum, followed by the range of cells you want to add, close the parentheses, and hit enter. From this, we can see that in this example, we're spending $355 on supplies. However, a blank spreadsheet can be a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with all the capabilities that Google Sheets has. Luckily, Google Sheets offers several templates to help you get started. First, click on the template gallery on the top right corner. As you can see, there are a wide range of templates that you can use that have categories, functions, and formulas already set up for you. For our purposes, we're going to select the monthly budget template. This template provides a pre-made structure that you can customize to fit your budgeting needs. As you can see, this has built a template for us complete with formulas, functions, and sections to automatically track and calculate your finances. This template offers some tips to start and asks that you enter your starting balance here and to only edit the highlighted cells to ensure the formulas remain functional. As you update the cells with your data, the balances, savings percentage, and dollar savings automatically update so you can get a better idea of where your finances stand each month. When you click on the values that update automatically, you can see that a formula has been imported into the template for you. Now that we have our budgeting sheet created for us, let's enter your planned income and expenses. In the income section, list all your expected sources of income for this month, like tuition fees, government subsidies, and any other additional revenue streams. Next, let's move to the expenses section. Categorize your expenses like rent, utilities, supplies, and salaries. Enter the expected amount for each category. For our purposes, let's imagine that you receive $5,000 in tuition fees, and $1,000 in subsidies, along with $75 in late fees and $200 from tutoring. These amounts will be entered under planned income. For expenses, let's suppose rent is $1,500, utilities are $300, supplies are $500, and payroll is $2,000. These amounts will be entered under planned expenses. Throughout the month, update the actual columns with your real income and expenses. This helps you compare your planned budget against actual spending. If you notice significant differences, you can adjust your spending or plan better for the next month. The template automatically calculates these differences, showing you where you may need to adjust. To update your actuals, simply click on the cell under Actual and type in the amount. For example, if your actual utility cost came out to $325 this month, enter $325 in the actual column for utilities. Do the same for all other categories. This helps you track your spending and identify areas where you might save money. You may notice at the bottom of this template, there is a second tab. If you click on this Transactions tab, you will notice that there is space to add your specific expenses and income and track each transaction you make throughout the month. You can add your expenses, your rent, specific purchases, gas, etc. under the expenses column, and under income, you can include specifics for each paycheck you receive and other payments. Google Sheets is an invaluable tool for childcare business owners to track their monthly budgets efficiently and effectively. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Google Sheets allows you to create detailed budget plans, monitor income and expenses, and adjust financial plans in real time. By using the built-in templates, you can quickly set up budget sheets tailored to your specific needs, ensuring that all financial activities are documented. This helps in maintaining financial transparency, identifying areas where costs can be reduced, and ensuring that your business remains financially healthy. Give Google Sheets a try and see how it can make a difference in your budgeting process.